welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you another Easter recipe. I have made some Easter nests that look like baby chicks. So let's get stuck in. The ingredients I need today: 2 cups of shredded coconut, half a cup of castor sugar, 2 egg whites lightly whisked, 80 ml of thickened cream, 2 strips of lemon rind, 180 grams of white chocolate, some yellow food colouring, black gel food colouring, and some orange mini M&Ms. The oven is preheating at 160 degrees Celsius and I've lightly greased some rounded bottom patty cases. Let's get stuck into the bases. The shredded coconut, egg whites and castor sugar are going into this bowl, and then I'm going to give them a good mix. Using wet hands, a heaped tablespoon of coconut mix is going into the patty cases. These little ones are going into the oven for 10 minutes. Now for the filling, the cream and the rind need to come to boil over a medium to high heat and then cool for 5 minutes. Before I pour the cream over the white chocolate, I'm going to bring it back to the boil and then discard the lemon rind. Now to tint this chocolate mix with some yellow food colouring and set it aside till it thickens and cools. Now that everything has cooled down, I'm going to spoon some of the chocolate mix into the bases, and then using these orange mini M&Ms, they're going to be the beaks and some black food colouring for the eyes. And that's it, super adorable Easter nests. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next week with another baking video. Bye!